everyone, welcoming you to Candid Saga. This is Rani. I'm continuing my vlog of My Awesome Assam series, Places to Hang Out in Guwahati, Part 2. So keep watching to hang out there when you drop to this beautiful city next. Welcome from Srimanta Shankardev Kalakshetra. Commonly, Kalakshetra is a cultural institution in the Panjaberi area of Guwahati, India. Srimanta Shankardev Kalakshetra, commonly Kalakshetra, is a cultural institution which has been named after the medieval poet, playwright, reformer Srimanta Shankardev. It includes a cultural museum, library, and various facilities for preserving, demonstrating, and performing cultural items, besides a children's park. In addition to being Northeast India's largest cultural congregation, the Kalakshetra is also a major tourist spot in Guwahati. Built in the 1990s, the artistic excellence of Assam and rest of the northeastern region is displayed here. There are eateries, places of worship, emporiums, and open-air theatres within the sprawling Kalakshetra. It is governed by a body of executives selected by the Assam government's cultural department and is headed by a director of the Civil Service of Assam or Indian Administrative Service cadre. Kalakshetra is divided into several complexes. The Central Museum, which exhibits the articles used by ethnic groups of Assam. The Kalakshetra also has the Artist Village, which replicates the village society of Assam. What can be termed as the major attraction in the Kalakshetra is an artistic village. This village portrays the village life of Assam in the most liveliest form through life-like statues and model thatched huts. The majority of urban children who are now deprived of experiencing a village life due to massive urbanization can increase their knowledge of their roots through a virtual tour of this village. The Kalakshetra is divided into several complexes, and all of them from one is an open-air theatre. This open-air theatre can accommodate 2,000 people and host cultural programs in its premises. Traditional dance and drama performances are conducted in this theatre. Nice view of the hills of Shillong Plateau can be seen from the fields of Kalakshetra. The open-air theatre with a view of mountainous range of the Khasi Hills is a venue for a variety of cultures, and an audience of 2,000 can see the shows from the gallery seats. A heritage park is also part of this huge complex of the Shankardev Kalakshetra. Now, a cable car facility is also available inside the park to commute the tourist. A walk through the heritage park gives a feeling of contentment and satisfaction to any nature's child. The Kalakshetra quite often holds various workshops of dramaturgy, cinema, and other performings as well as visual arts. There are murals on the center's surrounding walls, These murals depicts various war movements, Bihu dances and other Assamese references. The Central Museum exhibits the articles used by different ethnic groups of Assam. It preserves some of the traditional articles or artifacts of Assam culture. The museum is the main attraction of the Kalakshetra and was built in 1990. The houses various conventional ethos and cultural objects of ethnic importance. Kalakshetra also have a beautiful emporium for beautiful handloom and arty crafts to buy it from. So if you are very fond of bamboo and handicrafts and anything related to handloom, you can go and purchase in this area. So in order to visit Srimanta Shankadev Kalakshetra, the timings to visit is 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. You can spend here around 1 to 3 hours beautifully with a splendid view of mountains, which is covered by splendid mountainous range of Khasi Hills and Shillong Plateau. Entry fees for children is Rs 10, whereas adults entry fees is Rs 30 and foreigners it is Rs 100. In order to reach this place, there are commutation from Guwahati bus station to Kalakshetra. You can also reach through cab or the local transportation city. It is very easy to reach there. So this was all about my today's vlog. My Awesome Assam series part 3 will be coming soon from a new place to hang out in Assam, hang out in Guwahati during daytime. I hope you liked my today's video. If you have, then please give it a big thumbs up and do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.